This is Boots. She's about, Mom, how old?
15.
She's about 15. And she's bipolar. Mom, would you like to demonstrate that she's bipolar?
Hi, Kitty. How you doing? Nice, Kitty. Yeah. She likes to be pet. Yeah, she likes that. Oh, you like that, Kitty? You like that, Kitty?
So we dropped the mesh on the floor.
Oh, she's already showing signs of aggression. Oh.
She don't like it anymore. Hey.
Oh, see, she's getting aggressive. See, she liked it in the first place, and now she's just getting aggressive and agitated. So, this is how it demonstrates that she's bipolar. But she's a good cat. She's chubby. She needs to walk and like go on a diet and stuff. But it's okay. See, look at. But we don't mess with her like that. This is just demonstrating how she's bipolar. Usually she's like, she likes to be to herself and stuff. Her name is Boots because of the little white parts on her feet.
Okay. She's wearing boots.
See, she got boots. And she's got like a little white diamond on